Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my first ever dance tutorial. Today I'm going to teach my very own choreography of the song Genie in the Bottle by Dove Cameron. Okay, if you want to learn it, stick around. So let's start. So first of all, you need to move back because we're going to walk forward. So first, you're gonna step, use your right foot. Okay, you step your right foot on 1, 2. After that, you're gonna need to lift your hips while your arms going to your right. Then down, then raise your right knee, like that. Okay? Let's try again. And you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, down, and raise your right knee. After this, you're gonna go straight your right legs, turn in and point down, and put it back. Let's try that. You're gonna walk 1, 2, 3, down, 4, 5, 6. After this, you're gonna step your right again down, but this time you're gonna change your weight. You put it to your right. 7, then look back, change your weight again, put to your left. Then 8. It look like this at the back. 1, 2, 3, down, up, 5, 6, 7, look back on 8. So after that, you're gonna straight your arm to the back. 1 and. So make sure you separate that one. You're gonna reach your right, look to the front, and close. Let's try one more time. So this is your 8, this is 1 and 2. Then you're gonna make a circle to your head, including your hips. Circle and dip. 5, 6, 7. Step your right again and slow turn. Okay. Let's try again one more time. You end up on 8. You're gonna reach 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, step on 7, turn on 8. Let's do it from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Reach 6, change your weight, change to the back. 1, look, 2, circle. 3, don't forget your hips. 4, 5, 6. Step your right to the front again and turn. Stop. Okay, next, you're gonna cross your legs. 1, 2, 3, and 4. While doing this, your hand is going up, down, then left and down. So when you go to your right, you use your right. When you go to your left, you use your left. It goes like this. So 7, 8, cross. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? So it looks like this from the back. So 7, 8, we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, and 4. You got it? After that, you're gonna go and 5. Make sure your left knee is pointing front. 5, change your weight, change to your right. 6, and 7, back to 8. 7, and down. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, back to 8. One more time. I'll do it slowly this time. Gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Close. 5, 6, and 7, and 8. So from here, you're gonna go put your weight to your right, step to your right side, 1. Okay? So you end up here, you're gonna go 1. Your left hand is free. You can do anything of it. So 1 and 2, then cross 3, down and wave 4. Okay? Did you get it? Let me do it one more time. Very, very slow. So you end up on here. You're gonna go 1 and 2. Cross, make sure you close your fist, your fist, 3 and 4. Drop on 5, 6, then 7. Step your right to the back, close and snap. Look to your right. So 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, wave 4, 5, 6, step to the right to the back, 7, kick and look to the right. Alright guys, let's start from the beginning. Step to the right, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, step 6, 7, 8, step to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. Then 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6. Step back 7, 8. Okay guys, after this, you're gonna step your right to the front and make a figure 8 on your hips. Okay, you go like this. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. Then step to the back. Make a preparation for turn. 3, 4. So when you turn, the moment you reach your back, you gotta make your hips touch it and down, then up on 8. Let's try. So 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. Preparation for the turn. 5, 6, 7, and 8. You get it? Okay. After this, you look to your back. This is 1, turn, 2, step on 3, 4, 5, 6, step your right to the back, and down on 8. Then slowly going out. Yeah. Guys, thank you so much for tuning up in my first dance tutorials. If you're having trouble copying the choreography, you can just rewind the videos and pause in some part. And if you want to see the whole dance, we'll put the video, the link in the description down below. And thank you so much for tuning out. And please don't forget to subscribe and like. You can leave a comment if you want me to do something. If you want me to do a videos, if you want me to choreograph some of your favorite songs, just put it down, just write it down, and I'll try my best to do it. Okay? Thank you so much and have a good day. Cheers.